The brand new Aer City Pack 2 was just released at the beginning of this week. And in this video, we're going to check out what's new compared to the original version of the bag, and then pack it out to see what we can fit inside for everyday carry. If you don't know Aer, they are a San Francisco-based travel brand, and one we cover a lot here on this channel because their bags are very high quality and very stylish. The City Pack 2 backpack we'll be looking at today is part of Aer's new City Collection 2, which features modern everyday bags designed for exploring the city. The collection boasts premium fabrics and trims, smart organization, and details that improve everyday comfort and utility. Affiliate links in the description if you want to snag something from Aer and support this channel. The City Pack 2 comes in at 46 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 14 centimeters with a total capacity of 16 liters, which is actually going to be 2 liters bigger than the original City Pack. The bag's going to weigh 1.1 kilograms. The outside of the bag is made with high-quality 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon, and the inside is made with lightweight ripstop nylon. The bag also features YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware. It comes in 3 different colorways, the black you see here, as well as navy and olive. And it is also available in an X-Pack version, as well as an Ultra version. The City Pack 2 starts at $149 US. So, along with the other bags in the City Collection 2, the City Pack 2 features a sleeker silhouette, a cleaner redesigned interior, new ripstop nylon interior lining, as well as Hypalon zipper pulls. Some of the bag-specific improvements include side handles on both sides and a vertical luggage handle pass-through. So one of the things I like best about Aer products is the subtle branding, which you will find on the bottom side of the bag, as well as on the zipper pulls. You'll find handles on the top and the sides of this bag. There's going to be one exterior water bottle pocket on the right side, an external latch point right above that on the side. There's some grips to hold on to while you're opening and closing the zippers. There's some very nicely padded straps and a extremely padded back panel. There's a magnetic sternum strap, as well as some little elastic pieces to hold the excess strap from dangling. You'll find a vertical luggage passer on the back that you can actually Velcro to the bag when you're not using it. There's a large exterior front pocket with a key leash. And there's an even bigger front exterior tech pocket, which is going to be above as well as behind that main pocket, and that features that new stretch nylon. The main large pocket of the bag is a 3/4 zip, and it includes the lab top sleeve inside that, which is also so nicely padded. In front of that is some stretch nylon, which will hold an iPad or a book. And then lastly, there is a small top pocket that is also made with that same stretch nylon material that we're seeing all over this bag. So now let's see what we can fit inside. I'm going to pack realistically for everyday carry, specifically what I would bring to the office. But as you know, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. So what do you think of this brand new bag from Aer? Can you think of any better everyday carry bags on the market at this $150 price point? Let me know in the comments, I'm curious. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check back tomorrow for a look at the brand new City Sling 3. And lastly, here's what's on my turntable today.